Keep one slot gap. Here you can open. Yeah. Between no students. That's yeah, that's fine. Yeah. I'm sitting because the camera is there, so I'm sitting in some direction which is okay to both sides. Okay, that's right. Okay, we'll start with the prayer first. So sit with back straight. Inhaling, take the arms. So how do you do Namaskar Mudra? You inhale, take the arms straight up, and then exhale, bring to heart center. So always when you do Namaskar, do like that. And how will you go back? Inhaling, take your arms straight up, and then exhale, bring it down. That's how you have to do. Mele hogo time inhale ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Exhaling time center ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay. Close your eyes. Inhale again. Together. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Take inhale properly. Inhale, take the hand straight up through the center, upwards. Exhale, bring your hand sideways. That is how to bring down. Please put on mute. Who is on unmute? Please mute your microphones. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಮಂತ್ರ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಕು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಮೃತ್ಯೋರ್ಮಾ ಅಮೃತಂ ಗಮಯ. ಓಂ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವೊಂದು ಉಸಿರು ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಈ ಥರ, ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ರೀತಿಂಗ್ ಈ ಥರ. ಮೃತ್ಯೋರ್ಮಾ ಅಮೃತಂ ಗಮಯ. ಓಂ. ಬ್ರೆತ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಡೀಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಓಂ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ. Did you observe? When you say Om, before the Om, the inhalation that you take should be good inhalation. It should not be small, short inhalation. You want to attend the class? Okay, okay. So take that, that inhalation should be good. Yeah, whenever you are doing Omkara or any mantra, take one proper inhale, deep inhalation, so that Om is long. So the idea is that you get good vibration of the lungs. So I was observing, that's why I'm telling you. Okay, take proper inhalation before Omkara. Then when you do online class, now another thing, see now, how did I keep my mat? See my screen. So my laptop is there. It is almost, you can say, at least around 8 feet distance. करीबन 8 फीट का डिस्टेंस है, बराबर है. तो मैं यहाँ पे अगर खड़ा रहेगा, मेरे को पूरा हाइट दिख रहा है, करेक्ट. माई हाइट इज फुल विजिबल दिखा रहा है ना. तो जो भी ऑनलाइन क्लास जब आप अटेंड करते हो, तो बहुत जैसे कि आप ऐसे अगर खड़ा हो गया, ओके. सो व्हाट विल बी द ऑनलाइन क्लास? टीचर विल नॉट बी एबल टू सी एनीथिंग, ओनली आपका पैर दिखेगा, बराबर. सो कीप योर मैट a little distance. अगर लैपटॉप या फोन when you are using, keep it properly distance from the mat. So even if I do say any asanas here, spreading, anything I am doing, full distance is visible. Nothing, I have not used any other camera, I have used same laptop only. In your house, maybe the space may be little less, because bed may be there, something may be. Still try to find some place where the visibility is good when you are doing online class. That is another important thing, just bear in your mind. Two things. Then after mantra, what do? We do loosening practices, right? Anybody, any questions, you can ask in between. Now you see Tanmay, your back is not straight, you're sitting like this. I'll tell you how you're sitting. Now, I'm going to show you. Come. You're sitting like this, Tanmay. So, see my back? If you sit like this, how will you do yoga? Tanmay, so first things you have told you many things. Before, yeah, come, Anju. Yeah, take it. Before doing anything, oh sir, I am not able to do headstand, I am not able to do Sarvangasana, so many things you are telling. But first you let us learn how to sit properly. Correct? No? See, if you sit like this, I was observing Tanmay, you are sitting like this. So first thing is you have to straighten the back. See, from here, this back I brought you here. Now you are able to sit straight. So this intelligence is required. See how to sit straight first, with the back straight, hands straight. If you don't sit straight, no yoga. You cannot do any yoga. If the back is not straight, one thing, mind alert iralla. Mind alertness baralla. No mind alertness. If back is like this, you're relaxing it. Where the alertness will come? Nothing. So sit with back straight, whichever whatever best you can do. Unless there is some problem in the back, major problem. Then my first. So the moment you sit straight, things will become all right. If the back is straight, breathing will be good. You will get good breathing, opening the chest. Everything will work properly if the back is erect. I'm not saying that you have to, not like that, not required. Just keep the back straight. Always when you practice. When you're relaxing, it is okay. Shital Dandasana, all that, when between the asana you are relaxing, no, that time, okay, no problem, relax. But when the asana comes, you have to sit straight always. Then, so that is another point. So I told you these things. Now we will do loosening practice. You can practice along with me, no problem. Okay, I will explain wherever it is necessary. So what do we do first in this month? What is the sequence? First we start with slow jogging, right? So let us do little jogging. Yeah, little jogging. Ensure that we don't breathe through mouth. Little, whatever possible. Sometimes the knee may be paining. So you have to be careful. Yavudu pain is andre nodukondu jaasti madbeda. Then what do we do? Side jogging. So you have to bend your legs and touch your heel on the hand like this. Again do slow jogging. Yeah. Little time. Now we will feel like breathing through mouth, but we should not. Okay. Because heartbeat is increased. Relax. You can see now heartbeats are a little high, correct? It's all normal. Then this month we are doing mixed loosening. We are doing standing loosening, sitting loosening, lying down, everything is there. 1 month it is standing, 1 month sitting, 1 month lying down, 1 month mixed like that. So this month mixed. Yeah. So we have to start from back of the mat. Back of the mat. Now inhaling, I take my left leg forward, catch the waist. So around 3 to 4, 3 feet is enough, 3 feet. On the exhalation, bend both the knees. But the knee will not touch the ground. Inhale straight, exhale bend. Inhale straight, exhale bend. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Stay there for some time. 1, 2, keep the back straight. 3, back heel up. 4, 5. Inhale straight, exhale, walk forward. Okay, came front. So exhale is over. Now inhale, take the left leg back. Approximately 3 feet. Okay, not 2 feet. ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಕಮ್ಮಿ. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 3 feet ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ದು 2 feet ಇದೆ. Okay, exhale, bend. Inhale straight, exhale bend. Inhale straight, exhale bend. One more. Inhale straight and exhale bend. Stay for some time. 1, back straight. 2, 3, should stretch here. 4, 5. Inhale straight, exhale front. Just walk forward. So now both the sides over. Now turn to one side. You can turn to, if you want, turn forward, no problem. Okay. Side lunging. Inhale, so take your legs away about 4 feet. Stay on the mat only. Okay, and bring the hands in front. Take an inhale here. Exhale, sit half on the left leg. Like that. Yeah. Inhale, come up. Exhale, right. Inhale, up. Exhale, left. Inhale, up. Little body may lean. Exhale, right. Inhale, up. One more. Exhale, left, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, catch the waist. Now inhale, reduce the distance between the legs, little about 3 feet. Exhale, turn and jump to the front. Correct. So front lunging is over, side lunging is over. Now sit. So standing loosening, what we did? Jogging, side jogging, front lunging, side lunging. Now sitting loosening. So it will shake your legs, toes, heels, ankles, knees, everything will be little loose. After some time, stop shaking and put your chin down. Now rotate your neck. 1. So take your head all the side. 2. Close your eyes, okay? 3. Tanmay, you can practice. 4. There is no use simplicity. You are not observing also. One more round. 5. Now change direction. 1. See, I am going slow. Did you observe? It's not very fast. 2. Inhalation and exhalation. Like that. 3. Try to touch ears on the shoulder. 4. Both the side. Kaan touch hoga kandhe pe. One more round. 5. Now you can stop. Now one important thing here. See, don't do like this. So this is chin is moving. No. See, chin will not move. Tilt. See, ear touched. From here I don't take chin sideways. Illindu ikkada barute. Amele go up. Then here chin is coming here down. Chin is not going like this. You observe that. So it is a neck rotation, not chin rotation. Correct. Don't take chin sideways. Yeah.
So whenever we do the side correction, right? So when we sit up, so that time it should be normal breathing or?
There not much specific. Normal breath is enough. Only when I am saying exhale, bend. Then just inhale, come up. Exhale. When you stay there, normal breath. Yeah. This is not asana. What we are doing now is all loosening practices. When asana practice comes, the breath will be different. It will not be normal breath. It will be slow, deep breathing. Yoga asana is done with yogic breath. Yogic breath is different. Normal breath is different. Okay. Now, what is the next asana? Loosening. You remember? No. Okay, no. Next is Bhu Namanasana. So I sit upright and bring the hands in front. So see the legs pointed. Okay. Back നിവർന്നിട്ടില്ല കുറച്ചുകൂടി back നിവരണം അങ്ങനെ ഇങ്ങനെ ഇരിക്കരുത് ഇങ്ങനെ ഇരുന്നാൽ പോയി see my back gone rounded. See the difference? Like that you have to come. Take inhalation here. Exhale Bhu Namanasana and go down and put your forehead down. Like that, yeah. Inhale, come up. In front, നേരെ exhale to the right. Head on the ground. Inhale, sit up, hands in front. Exhale, left. Inhale, up. Exhale, right. Inhale, up. മുട്ട് മടങ്ങണം. Okay, exhale. രണ്ട് കൈ മുട്ട് മടങ്ങണം. Inhale, center. One more. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Now exhale left. You stay there with normal breath. 1, 2. മറ്റേ കൈ നോക്കൂ അങ്ങനെയല്ല. 3. നോക്കൂ 5. രണ്ട് കൈ മുട്ട് മടങ്ങിയിട്ടായിരിക്കണേ. 4. അങ്ങനെ. 5. Now inhale, come to center. Exhale, other side. Like that. 1, 2. That's it. 3, 4. Normal breathing. 5. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, put your hands down, straight. Okay. So that is all the sitting is over. Now lying down, cycling is there and bicycle crunches are there. Okay. So how do we do? Let us lie down into Shavasana position. Keep the legs together, hands close to the body, palm facing the ground. Now inhale, take both the legs up 90 degree. Okay. Now do kai down irabodu. Kai down, down. Now do cycling. 1, 2, 3. Make good cycling. 4. Imagine you're actually cycling. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1. Backside verb. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make good circles. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Stop with the legs in the air. Bend the position. Okay. Now interlock your fingers behind your head, both the hand. Interlock. You can inhale, bring the head up. Bring the head up. Exhale, touch left elbow on the right knee. Change, right, other side. Left side, right side, 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 correct. Left side, right side, leg will not move. Left side and right side. Now inhale, head down, body down. Exhale, release both the legs and release the hands. Okay. So that is called bicycle crunches. It's good for your stomach, core strengthening all. Now inhale, take the right arm over the head, bend your left leg. What did I say? Your right arm over the head, bend your left leg. Okay. Then exhale, turn to the ground. Turn to the ground. Through the right side. Right side you have to turn. Now press your palm by the chest. Press your palm by the chest. Palm, palm, palm. Inhale, come to cat position. Once you come to cat, turn to the front with an exhalation. Turn to the front. Everybody turn forward. Front, front. Any side you can rotate. Come front. Turn this side. So how did I turn? Observe how I turned. The way to turn is like that. Don't do anything. So what did I do? Inhale, take the right arm over the head, bend the left leg. On the exhale, I turn to the ground. Pressing the palm, inhale and come up like a cat. And exhale, turn to front. That's how you have to turn. Okay. You cannot directly sit up from a lying down position. Okay. Always do like that. Now what is the next one? Threading the needle. You can keep your knees, a little gap is fine, and do standing toes. So this is standing toe. You know, Anju, idana standing toe. So what is this? Sleeping toe. Yeah. This is standing toe, sleeping toe. So do standing toe. Inhale, left hand up. Reach high. Look at the hand. Exhale, insert the arm between the hand and the knee, other hand and the knee. Put your head down. Shoulder and head down. Shoulder down, head down. Anju. Shoulder also. Shoulder also. Inhale, up. Look at your hand again. Lift your hand. Exhale, insert. Like that. Yeah. Inhale, 3. Come on. Go with the counting. Exhale, insert. Inhale, 4. Come up, look at your hand. Exhale, insert. Bend your right elbow. Inhale, 4. Exhale, insert. Last one. Inhale, 5. Stay there, normal breathing. 1, 2. Stretch your hand. 3, 4. Look at the hand. 5. Exhale, insert. Stay there also. 1. Tala naltiki. 2. Shoulder down. 3. Full hand on the mat. 4. Left hand. 5. Inhale, come to cat position. Exhale here. Inhale, right hand up. Right hand. Exhale, insert. Shoulder down, head down. Inhale, 2. Hand up. Exhale. Inhale. exhale, inhale, threading the needle, exhale, last one, inhale, stay there, 1, 2, reach high, 3, all the fingers together, 4, 5, exhale, insert, stay here, 1, twist your body, 2, 3, shoulder down, head down, 4, full arm on the mat, 5, inhale to cat position, exhale here. So whenever you keep palm on the mat, what is this? Always, never keep hand like this. You know, okay, you can sit if you want. I'll explain. Sit in Vajrasana. I'll tell you why like that. See, when you push your hand like this, there is no, the force will be transmitted in one axis. Your wrist will get damaged. When you keep like this, so there is something called carpal tunnel here. You have heard carpal tunnel syndrome? Heard it no? So there is a tunnel here in the wrist through which all the nerves will go. Nerves will go to the finger through that carpal tunnel. If you keep like this, that tunnel will be closed, will not open. So when you keep like this, you get good grip and your wrist is protected. Whenever you do Surya Namaskara, anything like that, keep your fingers wide open always and use all the fingers properly. And index finger will be parallel. Which is the index finger? E rendu veril parallel. Did you see that? This finger will be parallel. All the other fingers will be going away from the index finger. So always you have to spread your palm. Never keep your finger, this is wrong. Keep this. Okay? That is for protecting the wrist. So we finished all that. We exhaled here. Now inhale here. Exhale, keep the elbow down, interlock your finger. You can just interlock your finger. Interlock. Now, little finger, how is it locked? See the little finger. Little finger is not cutting. It is one inside the other. Keep like this, it will pain. See, just keep others, it will pain, no? It is cutting the finger. So keep one finger, little finger inside the other finger. So it will not cut. Correct. You got it right. Okay, Anju. So it will not cut. Otherwise it is cutting this, no? Like this. It's paining. So all these small things, okay? Now I exhaled and kept my forearm on the mat, interlock finger. Inhale, lift the knees up. Mountain position, okay? Exhale, walk back and bring the buttocks parallel to the ground. See here? Now look front. Buttocks straight. 1, buttocks straight. 2, shoulder high, look forward. 3, idhara barabaru. 4, 5, breathe normally. 6, maintain. 7, all these are loosening. 8, maintain. 9, little strength is required. 10, exhale, knee down. Okay? Press the hands one by one. Inhale, come to cat position. How is the finger? Finger wide open. Exhale, lift your knees back. Mountain position. Stay there for some time. 1, normal breathing. 2, look towards your navel. 3, you don't have to breathe deep. These are all loosening practices. 4, breathe as you wish. Just finish the last exhale here. 5, walk forward, inhale, head up. That means one step. Head up. But only one step. How did I walk? Look at me. I was here. I'm not walking like idarilla. Ilindu. That's all. Walk one step. Head up. Inhale, head up. Head up means only head up, not body up. Body is down, head up. Exhale, bring your body on the legs. Head on the knee, you can call it. And now inhale, stand up, hands up sideways. Join your palm, look at your thumb. And exhale, put your hands down. So that completes loosening. If you see, most of the things are covered here. We did with leg, wrist, shoulder, neck, hips. So all those things are covered in this loosening. Okay, you can sit down. I'm going very slow. In the actual class, so much time will not take. Now, till now, my breath was not numbered. Correct? My breath was all normal, no? I was not focusing on breath much. Only inhale and exhale was there. Hereafter, it's not like that. Hereafter, things are different. What, Tanmay? You're not sitting only one place, going, coming, sitting, jumping, restlessness. Tanmay, you sit no one place. Don't come camera. You sit in that place, just sit with back straight. Your job is over. Just sitting itself, your problem is over. I'm telling you. First learn sitting. Don't do anything. So, loosening ho gaya. Now I'm going to talk about when we do Surya Namaskara, asanas. First thing, there are 3 pillars for yoga. It's called Trishtana. Trishtana. You read the books, it is there. I'm sorry, online people, I'm facing like this, but I'm looking at you. You're all projected here, okay? So I'm seeing you in my front. So don't worry, even if I'm sitting in this direction. So I'm seeing you on the screen here. So Trishtana, 3 pillars. First pillar, breath. Usiru. Usiru alva? Kannada? Usiru. Usiru illa asiru? Usiru. Usiru. Second pillar, drishti. Look. Third pillar, posture. First, physical position. Breath, drishti, posture. First preference, breath. Second preference, look. Third preference, body position. That is the priority. Correct, no? When we do, so that is the priority given in the books. So we have to, priority is like that. So, breath is the leader. Remaining second is looking. Third is last preference only for body. So now I'm going to show you one inhale and one exhale. Okay. You can sit convenient. If its knees are paining, sit convenient. Yeah. So after some time, my knee also will pain. Everybody's knee will pain. All human beings only, no. I cannot sit for too long also, no problem. I'm 49 years. So after a certain age, some asanas difficult. You cannot do some asanas. At the age of 90, if you tell me some asanas, I will not be able to do. Correct? No. When I'm child boy, I can do very easily. So if मैं अगर कोशिश करूंगा, मैं ऐसा दिखाऊंगा, मैं बहुत टाइम ऐसा बैठ सकता हूँ, वो योगा नहीं है, वो भोगासन हो गया वो. हाँ, somebody's mobile is ringing. Can you put it in silent? So now I'm going to show you normal inhalation and yogic inhalation. Normal exhalation, yogic exhalation. So I'm going to take a deep breath now. Just see this. Don't do anything. Like now, deep breath, Nodi. Deep inhalation is over. Let me try to slow it down. Okay. That's all I can slow down normal breathing. Now I will do slow breathing, little more slow down I'm going to do. I'm going to show you an inhalation. Okay. I'm closing the eyes. Did you observe? The inhalation and exhalation has at least become 3 times. Correct? Adyan Cheda breath, it was short. Second one, I'm regulating it here. I am regulating the breath here. Correct? That is called Ujjayi breathing. So you have to control your breath while practicing yoga. You cannot take random inhalation, random exhalation. So I'm going to show you an example of, don't sit, an example of which asana we are doing, Parshva Uttanasana. You remember the first asana we do, catching the elbows and behind and bending, okay? So I'm going to just show you that asana. So just observe how I'm breathing. I'm just keeping this to make the sound. Did you see the control I was making?
So when you get your leg to the knee, so that then you pull it and get it.
Yeah, bring it like this. Yeah, yes, to get that momentum. So I'm not trying to explain about the physical posture now. I'm trying to explain how I was moving, how I was looking, how I was breathing. Did you observe? Each inhalation was synchronized with the action. No, I'm not in a hurry to reach there. I stopped here. Did you observe? I stopped here. I did not want to finish that asana in the first breath. Then I took an inhalation there. Proper inhalation. Then I go down further. Where am I looking? I'm looking at this nail, longest fingernail. It is called Padayor Agra Drishti. What is the meaning of Pada? Pada means feet.
Feet.
Yes, who is that?
Sridhar.
Good. Beautiful, Sridhar. Ora. What is Ora means?
Side.
Yeah, side or edge.
Edge.
Agra means?
Focused.
Agra means tip. Tip. Agra means tip. It is mentioned in the book Pada Ora Agra. So the feet edge tip, which that means the longest finger you have to look. So it is written in the books, nothing by me. We are supposed to look there. Okay, so what I am trying to explain is some asanas, it will take 10 years, 20 years some asana. Some people may take 30 years to learn one asana. No problem. Let it take 30. That is, yoga is like that only. Child walking, how many 1 year it will take? Child will walk on the first month, second month. No. Arams it will take 1.5 years to walk. Some asana it will take 30 years, no problem. But I will follow the process. I will inhale when I take the leg out. I will exhale properly when I interlock my elbow. I will take a proper inhale to turn to the right. My shoulder will turn, complete inhalation. And then while exhaling, I will bring the navel first, chest second, head last. Exhaling. Wherever my exhale is over, I will stop. I will not go down further. Then I will take inhalation. Proper inhalation. Then I will exhale, try to do better. That is yoga. How you use the intelligence to reach there with time. Long time, no problem. So I'm trying to explain. First, learn the steps. Ekam, Dvi, Three. What is Ekam? 1. Dvi means 2. Trini means 3. Chatvari means 4. Pancha, Shashta, Sapta, Ashta, Navadasha, Ekadasha, Dvadasha, Trayodasha, Panchadasha, like that it will go. All in Sanskrit only. So, step first. You know the step. Now, synchronize the breathing with the steps. That is second. Third, look in the correct place. Last, perfect the posture. Correct? So this is the basic rule. Whatever we are doing, first learn the step, enjoy the correct breathing, correct drishti. Finally, day by day, improve the posture. Okay. So I want all of you to first, can all of you do those breaths first? How many of you can do slow breathing, inhalation and exhalation? Normally we do with the mic and all, but since to the COVID and all, we don't want to touch anybody as of now. Okay. So take slow breathing. You can, if you want. Yeah. Yes. Full Ujjayi. Most of the asanas, 99% of the asanas are done with Ujjayi breath. The reason of Ujjayi is, see, I've told in many of my videos. You imagine one ship which does not have that rudder. You've seen the rudder, no? That in that there will be that wind. One thing will be there. Rudder, it's called. If you pull the rudder this side, the boat will go like this. If you turn the rudder, it will go like that. Correct? So that rudder is there. Rudder of the ship. If there is no rudder, ship will go anywhere. You cannot direct that ship to the correct place. Correct? Kidhar bhi elle hogutte adu. Now rudder irutte. Wherever it will go. So without control, if you breathe, you cannot manage your breath. Not possible. Your awareness will not come. It will be like on the way you will stop the exhalation, then again inhale, then exhale. It's not possible. So every breathing should be numbered. Every breath. So how many breaths did I take in this asana? Final posture? Any idea? No, 3 breaths only I took. On last exhalation, I finished there. Then I inhaled, came up. Then I exhaled and turned forward. Then inhale, I caught my waist. Then exhale to the starting point. So you have to practice like that. When I remember when I was a boy, I was in college, I used to practice 1 hour every day. Imagine one day I had to go for movie. So that 1 hour I will compress into 10 minutes also. 1 hour nalli practice irodu. I used to squeeze, okay, now today I have to rush. I have to go some movie or some program is there. All that 1 hour practice, I will compress into 15 minutes. Because no breathing and all. See, when I was a boy, I never used to focus on that. I went to that center, Paschimottanasana, Rahega. Whatever breathing, let it happen. I am just focusing on the physical action. After many years, I understood. I'm not getting that feel of doing it. The effects are not coming. Mind is not relaxing. When you don't do, when you focus only on that pull and आज मैं तोड़ के रहूंगा, तो खत्म हो गया, योगा खत्म हो गया. उसमें आपका डाउन है, फिर प्रोग्रेशन नहीं होगा. जब when you are focusing on the process, you are taking your step properly, proper inhalation, proper exhalation, all that rhythm comes into the mind. It slows. Now, if you see, I enjoy doing those steps. I enjoy gradually learning the asanas. So that will never go away from the mind. Even when we are old, at the age of 90, 95, I cannot do some asanas, no, or even if I live 70 years also, I will not be many asanas again. But breathing will be good. Steps will be good. Enjoyment will be good. The way all that will remain. Some asana agalla. Vayasai agoitu. Shirshasana madogu agalla. Sometimes not possible, alva. But breathing irutte. Correct step irutte. Ella correct irutte. So learn those things. You will enjoy the practice. Now physical action focus korchu korkya. It is like, I have told in some students also, it is like putting salt in the curry. You put more salt, will the curry become tasty? It will not become. Other things also required. No. Physical action is required. Hatha yoga. What is the meaning of hatha? Any idea? Hatha means?
Force.
Yeah, force. Hatha. There are some other, so what Sridhar said, Hatha means force. Hatha Yoga is a principle in which we reach the mind through the body. Reaching the mind, it is not only the physical action. Physical action is required. The principle is that we apply certain techniques based on force on certain body parts and reach the mind through that. It is not just a physical action. That is the technique. So we control our breath, we prolong, we shorten. All those techniques are used to reach the mind. Ultimate reach is to reach the mind, not the physical action. Correct? So calming the mind, everything is part of Hatha Yoga only. So now can you all take some, can you make that sound of breath? Can you try? Can you slow down your breath? Again, inhale your breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Little more longer. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Is it happening? हो रहा है? हाँ. अच्छा. I mean, you are having longer breath to finish or no, shorter breath. It is more just, I'm telling you experience, that's all. It's nothing. So, and another thing is, I was observing some of you, the chest is not rising. In the chest, mele barta illa. Now, the chest, no, just observe how the chest is rising. Just a little showing the breath. Three-dimensional. So I want check. I will tell you. Just interlock your finger. Inhale. Lift your hands. Lift madi full chest, shoulder, everything. Now, without dropping the chest, bring only the hand down. Where is the chest? See, just this position. We should come in the inhalation. That is the thing. Kai mele hogo time chest mele barutella. Full stretch madi. Lift your chest. Lift your chest. Low, look up. Look straight. Lift your chest. Full breath. Now bring only the hand down. Where is the chest? It's high. Now exhale. Yeah. So that is it. So when you're inhaling, the chest has to rise. See, now it is rising. Back. Chest lift up you. Chest lift up you. Now exhale. Correct. Better. Exhale, Madi. So try to expand three-dimensionally. First the stomach comes out, then the chest wider, then chest taller. X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis. We're all teaching people. So explain, there are three axes for an inhalation. First is the depth. Bring the stomach forward. It is like pouring water into jug. Where the water will fill first? Bottom. Then center. Then top. So first breath goes into the stomach region. Then that is X-axis, the depth of the inhalation. Now Y-axis, chest should become wider. Then Z-axis, chest should become rise. X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis. That is called three-dimensional breathing or yogic breath. You have learned no Vibhagiya Pranayama. Prashant would have taught you, right? Vibhagiya Pranayama. It's called sectional breathing. So, see, now my knee is paining. I changed. I cannot sit more than that, right? So that intelligence in my, no, I have to use my intelligence. Similarly, some asana, it is paining. Some joint may be paining. Abhinav, you are there, no?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Listening, right? You can ask any query when the natural break comes. Please ask. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, anything you want to know. Okay. Whatever I know, I will explain. So try to take three-dimensional breathing. When you teach your students, teach them. Prioritize breathing. You watch many videos are there regarding anxiety, depression. All of them talk LSD. You have heard LSD, no? LSD. Light, slow, deep breathing. What is it? Light, slow, deep. More irabodhu. Light means slowly you have to breathe. Right? Slow and light means mild. It should not be harsh. It should not like much. That much force is not required. You should not apply force too much. Light, slow, gradual, and deep. All the three are important in yogic breath. Many studies have been done. The way you breathe is directly linked with the mind. When we are angry, we breathe fast. Correct? When we are afraid, ಭಯ ಬರೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಬ್ರೀತಿಂಗ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಭಯ ಟೈಮ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ನಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೀತಿಂಗ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ರೀತಿಂಗ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. Breathing slow means mind also slow. Like that. Asana penetrates into the body with proper breathing. If you do it physical action, yes, it will reach some level. Beyond that level, it will not help. To see, you can see only the asana. I have seen many yoga competitions. 5 minutes Vrikshasana means first prize. I don't know what is the meaning of that. It is only abuse of yoga, I am telling you. 5 minutes, some person standing full day Vrikshasana, first prize. I don't know. There is no such yoga. See, if that person is struggling to stand in the, what yoga it is, I don't know. It is violence. It is violence against ourselves. We are damaging our body. Yoga is not the way to that kind of. It's not yoga. Yoga is a balance. You have to breathe, you have to enjoy, you have to breathe properly, you have to do what you're doing. All those mind presence is required. It is not a competition where I can do very difficult asana, then I get first prize. Not like that. Yes, asana is there, but all the other elements are required. If that person is doing that asana with lot of presence of mind, good control of breath, good drishti, good grace of practice, all that comes, then he gets the first prize. It is not only because he is doing Vrishchikasana, he is touching his head on the leg on the head. First prize. No, that is not yoga. So the teacher, the evaluating examiner should first check, okay, is this person able to do it with proper understanding? Then the first prize should be given. Okay. So,
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, like during Surya Namaskar fast rounds, like how can we do Jai breath because the time is very short?
Yeah. So it's for children class we do that, correct? So we don't focus much on while doing that fast rounds. So it is just to little more, make your body little stronger. That's why we do those fast rounds. The question is very valid. So when we do the slow round and the first 12 rounds, focus on proper breathing. When you do the fast rounds, you have to breathe along with the steps, but the breath will not be ujjayi. It will be more focus is on the strengthening only in that. Okay, Anshuman?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now, so all the loosening is over. So try to get that breath, all of you. Okay. Now we will go to Surya Namaskara. So I will do 1 or 2 rounds. Okay, or we will do, then I will explain the steps. We will do 1 or 2 rounds and then we will spend a little time on all the postures. So we come to Samasthiti. So many of the time I have seen, in Samasthiti your toes should touch, heel also should touch. Ensure that you don't slip with the socks. Be careful. Should not slip. I think you use it always. നോ പ്രോബ്ലം. എപ്പോൾ നിൽക്കുമ്പോഴും കാല് കണ്ടോ, ദിസ് ഇറ്റ് ഷുഡ് ടച്ച്. ആगे भी टच करना चाहिए, पीछे भी टच करना चाहिए. And stand straight with the hands tight. Now what we do, we are going to do the prayer. So inhaling, take the arms over the head. Normal breath is enough. Exhale to heart. अब നോക്കൂ, കൈയിൻ്റെ വിരലൊക്കെ ഒരുമിച്ച്. ഡോണ്ട് ഇന്റർലോക്ക് ലൈക്ക് ദിസ്, वो गलत है. चलेगा ना? सीधा. Now closing the eyes, take inhalation. Together. हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखं तत्त्वं पूषन्न पावृणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये. Proper inhale. Inhale, open your eyes. Exhale, look at the nose. So where are you supposed to look at the nose? Okay. Nasagra drishti. If it is tough, you can look front, okay? Now let us do together. My breath may not be very correct because I am talking. I am not supposed to talk actually. But I am explaining, so I am talking, okay? Whatever possible, I will breathe properly. Ekam, inhale, stretch your hands back. Dvi, exhale, bend forward. Trini, inhale, left leg back. China. Chatwari, exhale the right. Pancha, inhale, knee down. Exhale, sit back, head down. Shat, inhale, come up on the knee. Exhale to mat. Inhale, stop. Ashta, exhale, lift your butt up. Nava, inhale, knee down. Exhale, sit back again. Dasha, inhale, left leg forward. China. Ekadasha, exhale the right. Dwadasha, inhale, stand up, stretch your hand. Samasthiti. Om Mitraya Namaha. Ekam, don't have to repeat. Okay. Ekam, inhale, stretch back. Do exhale. Trini, right leg, inhale, head up. Arch your spine. Chatwari, exhale. Pancha, inhale, knee down. Exhale, sit. Shat, inhale, come up. Throat sound, observe. Exhale. Inhale, chest up. Ashta, exhale. Nava, inhale, knee down. Exhale, sit back. Dasha, inhale, right leg forward. Now, Ekadasha, exhale. Dwadasha, inhale, stand up. Samasthiti. Om Ravaye Namaha. Ekam, inhale. Do exhale. Trini, inhale, left leg. Arch your back. Chatwari, exhale. Pancha, inhale me down. Exhale. Shut, inhale, come up. Exhale. Chest up. Ashta, exhale. Nava, inhale me down. Exhale, sit back. Dasha, inhale, left leg. Ekadasha, exhale. Dwadasha, inhale. Saraswati. Om Suryaya Namaha. Fourth round, last round. Ekam, inhale. Dui. Trini, right leg. Chatwari. Pancha. Shat. Inhale, come up. Exhale. Sapta, inhale. Ashta. Now inhale me down. Exhale. Dasha, inhale, right leg. Chin up. Ekadasha. Dwadasha, inhale. Exhale. Om Bhanave Namaha. Okay, inhale, take the hands up. Exhale. Now only drishti I can see you ideally. So, some of you, the breath, it was like this. I think yours was, I think, better. That sound was coming, no? Were you able to synchronize? What about you? Coming? പറ്റുന്നുണ്ടോ? ആ സൗണ്ട് വരുന്നുണ്ടോ? ആ സോ ആസ് ഐ സെഡ് ഫസ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ ബ്രീത്തിങ് ഫോക്കസ് ചെയ്യാം, കുറച്ചുകൂടി നോക്കാം. ട്രൈ ടു. കണ്ണടയ്ക്കാൻ പാടില്ല. While practicing asana, don't close your eyes. മൂക്കിൽ നോക്കാൻ നാസാഗ്ര ദൃഷ്ടിയോ ഇല്ല. While asana practice, Surya Namaskara, there is drishti. So I'm going to show you. You can sit if you want. Okay, I'm going to show you one round with drishti focus. Okay, just see how I'm looking and just observe the breath. Okay, I'm not talking, so I'll just breathe and do the drishti properly. Now I cannot see. I can see Anju is there. Some brown color, something is there, or orange color. See white color, yellow. I mean blue color. I cannot see you directly. Like this only I'm supposed to see. If it is very tough, no problem, look straight. It's okay if you cannot do it, if you find it very tough. Okay. Now see the drishti, what I am doing. Now only I look other place. So the full action is done with some drishti. When I stretch back, I'm trying to see the back wall. When I bend forward, I'm looking at the nose. Inhale, take left leg back, chin up, look at eyebrow. Eyebrow. Exhale, take the right leg back, look nose. Pancha, inhale, keep the knee down. Exhale, sit back, gazing nose. Shat, inhale, come up on the knee, go down on the mat, gazing nose. Sapta, inhale, lift your chest and then lift your head up, look at eyebrow. Ashta, exhale, lift your back, go to mountain position, look navel. Nava, inhale, keep the knee down, exhale, sit back, gazing nose. Dasha, inhale, right leg forward, fingertips on the mat, chin up, look at eyebrow. Ekadasha, exhale, other leg forward, head down, gazing on your nose. Dwadasha, inhale, stand up, gazing on the nose, and then try to see the back. Exhale and gaze at the nose. So every asana, one drishti is there. No? So there is no way I cannot see anything else other than what is written. I cannot see the screen. I cannot see teacher. I cannot see anything else. So what happens when you do that? Your full mind will be active on that actions. The correct दृष्टि में आपका पूरा दिमाग उसमें रहेगा. Breathe, inhale हो रहा है, exhale हो रहा है, अभी बीच में inhale आ गया नहीं आया, सब सोच रहा है मन. After few months it will become automatic. But the counting of the breath, all that will not go away. देखो मैंने को 3 breath लेना है तो मैं लेके ही रहूंगा. मेरे को लेना है 3 सांसें आप वहाँ पे. So you have to do like that. So now some of the small corrections which I was observing is common mistakes I'm going to tell you. First common mistake. Now what is this? Is it correct? What is the difference? Is this correct? What is wrong here? What is it? This is correct. So this is Anjali Mudra, this is Namaskara Mudra. Press ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು shoulder ಈ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲ, chest wide ಇರಬೇಕಷ್ಟೆ. This is Namaskara Mudra. Now while bending back, don't do like this. See, everything is bending. Knees bending, elbow bending, wrist bending. Try to keep the knee straight, keep the wrist, elbow straight and bend the body lifted. This is fine. Don't do this. Don't put the wrist, keep the wrist straight. Don't bend the elbows. Keep all this things straight and bend your body like that. And try to reach, lift. Okay? So you don't have to, I'm not saying that you should fully bend, not required. This is also fine. If you do like this, what will happen? You will get a false feeling that you are bending, but it's not happening. So back will not bend, actually. So when you stretch, you have to stretch your back here, right? So try to keep the other joints straight. If there is a pain or difficulty, it's okay, whatever possible. Okay. Then second is, while bending forward, you have to reach long legs. See, I'm looking long. Then finally the head comes. It should not be like this. Do you find the difference between that? First is I am reaching long. Right. So try to reach long. Don't try to bend down. Try to bend forward. It's called forward bending. It is not called downward bending. Forward means you have to go forward. So from here, go forward, reach long. This is okay. I'm able to bend this much only, no problem. But don't do like this. Don't round your back. Try to bring your body front down. So once you reach here, head down. Now take this step long and arch. So take it a little long. Don't take it short. Don't do this. It's like a kneeling position. കുറച്ച് ബാക്കിലേക്ക് വെച്ചിട്ട് arch. And see the throat is stretching. I'm looking towards the eyebrow. There is no need to keep full hand, not required. Keep only finger. So try to keep this perpendicular. Don't do this. This is gone. What will happen? You will get a stretch on the back, but this knee will get damaged. In Ashwasanchalana, your knee should not be fully bending like that. Little is okay, but try to work all. This, back, everything. Throat, everything. Don't focus on this. This is not Surya Namaskara. Okay? Now, From here, this was inhalation. Then exhaling, take the other leg back. This is a straight line. Not like this, not like this. Where is Tanmay? You're there. Gone. So, your buttocks should not either irabaru, either irabaru. Eradu mistake. Straight. Okay, now inhale, keep the knee together, not separate. Together. Exhale, when you sit back, your elbow should stretch. Like this. Not like this. Stretch your hand. Okay? Now, inhale, come up on the knee. Stand the toe. Exhale, chest आगे जाना चाहिए. ये गलत है. ये सही है. Got it? Don't keep it front. From here, sleep the toe. It was like this. उसको sleep करके bring the chest and chin together. Then bring the head up. Can you do that? All of you do that? Bring the chest, chin together, then lift your head. Try. Go down in Ashtanga Namaskar. Go down, knee, chin, chest. Wide finger. Standing toe. Legs together. Elbow close to body. Go down. Okay, now when you come up, bring the chin, chest together. Then separate your. You got it. Hey, chin and chest together. Bring chin, chest together. Come up. Finally take your chin away. Like that. Now you do. Up, new time, Madi. First go down. Mele barodu time. Chin, chest. Illa. Come up. Chin illa. Chin ita. Mele banni. Chin down. ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದು ಮೇಲೆ ಚಿನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮಾಡಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡಿ. ಮೋನಾ, ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಮೋನಾ. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡಿ. ಮೋನಾ ಇಸ್ ಡಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಚಿನ್ ಡೌನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಚಿನ್ ಡೌನ್ ಬರಿ. ಚಿನ್ ಡೌನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬೆಟರ್. ಯು ಡೂ. ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಚೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್, ಚಿನ್ ಡೌನ್, ಚೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನಲಿ ಚಿನ್ ಅಪ್. So it is like cobra, no? Like this. Like that. Cobra, it will not do tucker. So it will come like this. Then cobra will come. Do like that. Unlock and come up. Bring your head. Like that. That's called Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. If you cannot do Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, you can do Bhujangasana like this. From here, this is fine. If you cannot. But in our class, we do like this. Full body up. This is off the mat. Everything is in the air. So upper body lifts. So in Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, it's a full lift. Sleeping dog. You can. It's a choice. You can do Bhujangasana if you have a little pain on the back or anything like that. Some problems in the back pain, etc. You can do Bhujangasana. You don't have to do that full upward lifting. But this is always better. It strengthens your back, upper body strength barutte, chest open agutte, shoulder strength. Everything will come when you do upward facing dog. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, it's called. What is it? Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. What is the meaning of that? Urdhva means what? No, Urdhva means top or above, upward. Urdhva means upward. Mukha means face. Urdhva Mukha. Shvana means Shvana, nine. Dog. Yeah, upward facing dog. In Kannada, Shvana irutta? Shvana. Kannada alva? Sanskrit also Shvana. Nai, Shvana. Some Sanskrit gotta niಮಗೆ? So Shvana means dog. Upward facing dog. And what is the opposite of that? What is in Sanskrit? Adho Mukha Svanasana. Adho means down. Mukha means face. Shvana means dog. Asana means, what is the meaning of asana? Literal meaning, asana?
Posture?
Yes. Anshuman, no? Who is that?
Yes, sir, Ansuman.
Anshuman. Asana means seat or posture. Seat or posture. What is the meaning of yoga? Yoga means no meaning, yoga. Yoga, anybody in the online class, anybody in online, yoga means what? Literal meaning, I'm telling, word meaning. What is the meaning of word yoga? Yeah, that is interpretation. Correct. What you're telling is correct only. So, yoga comes from Sanskrit word yuj, Y-U-J. Y-U-J. In Sanskrit, there is a word yuj. Yuj means joining, together, togetherness, union, joining. That is the meaning of yoga. Yoga means coming together. What you're telling, mind, body, coming together is yoga. Your meaning of the word yoga means togetherness, union, or joining. That is the meaning of yoga. Okay. From that, all the things, some explanations are there.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
When I am trying to make, when I'm making my back straight, it's paining little.
The reason you are not used to it, you are very young, your back will not have any problem. You have to train your back to sit straight. Yes. So what you are doing now is correct. Your back is straight. Because always you are sitting rounded back, no? So your back is become very stiff in that position. So now you have to come out of it. So always try to sit straight. So gradually your back will become correct. Okay. When you were born, when you were small boy, it was correct. After some time, you made your back like this without using the back. So now start using it. So straight, sitting, always sit straight. Then it will become correct. Don't worry. Your age, no injury will come. You are a very young person. Now Surya Namaskara over. In after 10 rounds, 2 rounds, what is that Surya Namaskara called? Ashtanga. You are doing that, no, at home. You do Ashtanga B also. So she is expert. So she knows A, B and all. So in Ashtanga A, B, just one round I will show. We will do together, one round. She is sitting bore हो गया. Sonali. समस्थिति. See, automatic मेरा दृष्टि इधर चला गया. ऐसे हो जाना चाहिए. Okay, I will be talking also. When also I will try to breathe with you. Exhale खत्म हो गया. एकम, inhale arms up sideways. Look at your thumb. Do exhale, bend forward. And sideways. Now 3D inhale, head up. Chatwari, step back, both the legs go down. Pancha inhale, lift your chest. Shat exhale, lift your back. Now you have to breathe with me. Exhale. 1. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 4. Inhale. Exhale. 5. Sapta, step forward, inhale, head up. Head up. Ashta, exhale, head on. Now I inhale, stand up, hands up. Exhale. All of you took breath with me, correct? Okay.
5 times when you
You took 10, huh?
no, I couldn't do so much.
So less than 5.
I tried doing it for like 3 times properly.
Then after that, masala dosa
Yeah,
hoga.
it was like
Masala.
it was like normal breathing.
Okay. So try to get that. You want to do it once more? Okay, once more we'll do all the 5 breaths with me. Samastiti. Where is Drishti? Nasagra. Good. Ekam. Inhale, hands up. Dvi. Three, inhale, head up. Eyebrow. Chatwari, exhale. Pancha, inhale. Shut. First inhalation. Exhale. 1. Inhale. Exhale. 2. 3. 4. 5. Sapta, inhale, step forward. Head up. Ashta, exhale. Now inhale, stand up, hands up. Samastiti. Now there is no need for breathing only. That much long breath we are taking. Full body it will penetrate what you are doing. All the nerves, calm, it will come. That is the beauty of good breathing. See now, otherwise, fast breathing, fast body, everything fast. Cut it, you cannot directly access your mind, not possible. So imagine who was that? You have seen Sadhguru video. Sadhguru is telling, don't think, no, he's telling, people are telling, don't think negative, only positive thought, only positive. He's telling like that. So he told, Sadhguru video is there. Okay, now in that video, have you seen that? No. Okay, now all of you don't think about monkey. Don't think about monkey. What is there in your mind? Monkey only. So he's simply telling, no, he's correct and very correct, he's telling. Don't think about monkey Anju. Never think. Only monkey will be there in the mind. Mind is like that. You cannot control mind. I myself also, nobody can control mind. In yoga, mind is controlled through breath. Only method, I'm telling you. There is no other method. I am also not good, all these things. Very bad, all these things. But I'm trying to learn the correct methods, that only. No, not possible, controlling mind, not possible. So in yoga, principle says, slow breathing, slow mind. Slow breathing, mind control only through breath. That is a technique, I'm telling you. I have personal experience, I'm telling you. When I started learning these kind of slow breath, everything, lot of changes came into my mind. It slowed down, it made me more relaxed. Lot of things changed. But I'm still on the way. I'm not a relaxed person. Still, all these problems are there for me also, just like anybody. But I'm trying to day by day learn that. So learn these small good techniques. It will be an asset to your, our own life. Whatever I know, I'm telling. I may be wrong in some things, but I will learn from you also, whatever your experience. Okay? Now, we've done Surya Namaskara. Now we will do any questions online, anybody? Kishani, Sonal, Nalini, Abhinav. कोई क्वेश्चन है तो पूछ लीजिए.
No,
मेरे को
sir.
क्वेश्चन कीजिए थोड़ा सा.
Not yet.
Tanmay, again you are resting on computer, chatting. Okay, okay, thank you, okay. Nobody is seeing the chat. Yeah? He's very favorite of okay, okay, thank you. Like that he'll keep chatting. Nalini, any questions? Any suggestions?
No, thank you. Not the moment.
Thank you. Ishani, Tanmay, some people are, Sonal was there.
No, sir.
No, sir, nothing from my side.
Okay, thank you. So,
I had a question.
yes, tell me, Tanmay.
So you tell in third asana to not put your back down.
What is it? Can you repeat?
I was saying you to tell in third asana not to put your body down.
That plank position. This one, no? This one.
Plank position, correct.
This one.
Yes.
You are doing like this. You are doing something like this. Sometimes like this. Most of the time, there is no such asana. In history, also nobody has done that. Otherwise, you are doing like this. Both are wrong. Now it is correct. Now, so this I want you for all the 12 rounds. What you are doing अभी जो आप कर रहा है वो करेक्ट है. देखो अभी सेंटर में आ गया. ये सेंटर जो पोजीशन है आपको सीखना पड़ेगा. बराबर. ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए. दोनों गलत है. ये सही है. वो सब एवरीडे होना चाहिए. ऐसा चलेगा?
Okay, sir.
हो जाएगा.
Sir,
ईशानी.
sir, I have a doubt in Virabhadrasana.
Correct. What is the doubt?
Sir, the doubt is, for example, if we turn right in Virabhadrasana, then both of our legs shall turn right along with shoulder.
यस, बराबर. अच्छा क्वेश्चन दिखा. तो मैं दिखाता हूं एक बार. तो वीरभद्रासना. सो कहां से मैं स्टार्ट करूंगा? लेफ्ट से करूंगा. ओके, करेंगे एक बार.
Yes, sir.
यू कैन फेस, गो टू द लेफ्ट, टर्न दैट साइड. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू दैट स्टेप बाय स्टेप. ओके, 1 मिनट. समस्थिति हो गया. कीप योर लेग्स टुगेदर, हैंड्स टाइट. Ekam, inhale, take the right leg out, 4 feet catch your waist. Catch your waist. Do exhale, turn the right foot, full body turn right. अभी जो पीछे का पैर है वो थोड़ा घूमेगा.
Okay, sir.
पीछे का little turn your left leg. Don't keep the left leg straight that side. पीछे का पैर आधा घूमेगा, आगे वाला पैर पूरा घूमेगा.
Okay, sir.
अच्छा ईशानी, ये सब कैसे नोटिस किया आपने? आपका एज में ये सब मिलता नहीं है. ध्यान अच्छा है ईशानी, गुड. तो कैसा हो गया? आगे वाला पैर, सॉरी, ये इनहेल हो गया. ये एक्सेल टर्निंग का टाइम में आगे वाला पैर पूरा मुड़ गया, पीछे वाला पैर थोड़ा घूम गया. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ टर्न आಗುತ್ತೆ. इल्लंದ್ರೆ you will not get the balance. So exhale हो गया. Now inhale, take the arms up. Join your palm. On the exhalation, bend the right knee. Exhale, khatam. Back side. Now inhale, look at your thumb. Exhale it. 1. Second inhalation. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. 3. Pancha inhale, legs straight. ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Shut, exhale, hands down. Sapta inhale, turn forward. Now exhale, turn to the other side. Right leg also half turn. Inhale, take your hands up. Exhale, bend the left knee. Inhale, look up. Exhale. 1, 2, elbow straight. 3, inhale, leg straight. Exhale, hands to the waist. Inhale, turn forward, reduce the distance. Exhale and turn and jump. You are now exhaling. So see that discipline comes in the mind like that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
I had one more question. You tell to keep
Huh?
this leg back of the neck and do namaste.
Ah,
That
correct.
doesn't happen.
Ah, difficult.
That doesn't happen.
Ah, it's okay. See, Tanmay, I have told you what is happening that you tell me. Don't tell me, sir, this is not happening, that is not happening, this is not. Don't want to hear that. What you learned, sir, I am able to do this now. You tell that, that only I want to hear.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
Tanmay. Tell me, sir, my back is now straight. Many asanas you are not able to do. I am also not able. What is the use of telling that? Okay, tell me what you can do. Okay, this is the next level for you. I want you to do the smaller things first. Keeping the leg behind the head, all that will come later. So, what was the asana we did just now? Virabhadrasana 1, 2, or 3? Which one? 1. The last month we did 2. Now Virabhadrasana 3. Samasthiti. Automatic awareness came. Look front. In asana practices, looking nose in standing position is not there. In the asana it may come. I will tell you. Here it is looking front. Here take one inhalation. Just has to come up. Exhale, left leg front 2 feet. Inhale, arms up, back heel up. Exhale, bend forward. First inhalation. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, walk. Hands down. Exhale, left leg back. Inhale, hands up. Exhale. Inhale. One, 2, 3. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, walk. Exhale, walk back. Now look elsewhere. I was looking that chair. That was my drishti. I was looking here. All the 8 or 10 breaths I took. I could not see anybody. So it is difficult to breathe very slow and deep in that position, right? So try. Yeah, it's easy. It's okay. See, sometimes you may feel tough, you come back. It's okay. You should not be harsh also at the same time. Whenever you feel no, I'm not able to take very long breaths, take an extra breath. It's fine.
Longer inhalation and exhaling is also longer. It takes time to practice.
Yeah, it takes time. There in some asanas, it is difficult.
I think when you do it too long inhalation and exhalation,
Yeah,
third we came with that.
yeah.
I think 4-5 inhalation and exhalation.
It's okay, don't worry. So, see, only thing is, see, nobody is perfect, including me and you. See, it's a journey, right? It will not happen, many asanas I cannot do slow breathing. There are some asanas which I cannot do. But I practice with the hope that I will be able to do it one day or the other. That's all. Don't worry, just do your best. Beyond that, we cannot do, right? So we did that. Now we can sit down. It's almost 5:30. We'll talk a little about, because we have discussed a lot about asanas, right? Any specific asana you want to ask? Any asana you want to ask?
I really sorry about the name, but
Sarvangasana.
the one which you with the leg, right?
Hmm.
So I want to practice.
Hmm.
I don't know whether I'm doing it right or wrong.
Hmm. So I'll try to help you now. Okay. Lie down. And lie down in position. So where is your husband? Is there? Rupesh, right? Come. Because there he will be there.
No, morning he won't be there. He goes to gym.
It's okay. So he'll be able to help you. Okay. Now here you have to stand here when she's doing it. Okay. Inhale, take your legs up. Sorry, take your arms over your head first. Inhalation. Exhale, keep the legs straight. Together and point your toes. Okay, now inhaling, lift both your legs up. Look at the toe. Exhale, bring the hands down. Now, inhale, lift your hips up, give me the leg. Hold up. Lift your hips up, give me the leg. Now support your back. That's it. Get to balance. Balance. Take the weight on little on the elbow and your shoulder. Yeah, that's it. Minimum weight on the neck. That's all. Asana is over. Look at the toe, just stay slow breathing. Now here the toes are too far. You can look at your knees initially. The straighter the better. Keep your elbow closer. Now try to balance. Now how did you do it now? So see, she was doing better than me now, Rupesh. So you have to do like this. Help her to get there.
No, actually, we used to try the other way. I used to stand that side.
So if you stand here, no, you will do Sarvangasana. She will not do. So because she will anyway, Rupesh is going to lift her, no.
Yeah.
So
The first mistake what I was doing is my elbows are broad.
Wider,
Wider. So I have to squeeze it little bit inside. Then I can give more support to my feet.
तो आप तो इस तरफ था, मैंने आपको खींच लिया ऊपर, उसके बाद आपका हाथ बराबर आ गया, बराबर है, धीरे धीरे आएगा. इसको दीवार पे भी कर सकता है, चाहिए तो. हाँ, you want to do it again? ചെയ്യാറുണ്ടോ സർവാംഗാസനം ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലേ? ഇത് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടോ? അപ്പോൾ അവിടെ ചെയ്യണ്ട. You tuck your shirt now, I'll help you, don't worry. She's afraid of me now. Right. Okay, no problem. Okay, I cannot force. It is very easy, I'm telling you. If you more than you, 15 kg more than you, I have taught them Sarvangas. Give me the, I'll remove the fear from your mind. You tuck your shirts. If you want to do it, I will help you now. Can you help cooperate? Then I'll help you to do it. Okay. Okay. Now sit. I don't want to force you.
Like normal Shirshasana I can do, but Salamba Shirshasana difficult.
I will tell you the technique for that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That day I was observing you. Just try to do it like this. In Salamba Shirshasana, the load on the head is more. Okay, Anshuman. So what you have to do is, आपका जो हाथ से जो सर का जो डिस्टेंस है उसको बराबर रखो. ये सलंब शीर्षासन में उसको बहुत इतना नजदीक मत रखना. ये देखो, ये इसमें सलंबा नहीं होगा. ये हाथ को और थोड़ा आगे रख के देखो, अभी वजन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा और डायरेक्टली मत चले जाओ.
बस इतना उठाना। देखो मेरा हाथ पे वजन अच्छा आ रहा है। My weight on the head is there but not very high.
Yes, sir.
See the distance my head to the hand is quite good. Did you observe that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I'm keeping the weight a little on the hand side also.
Okay, sir.
While coming down, try to bring your thighs on stomach first. Place it on the stomach. Slowly keep it.
Okay.
आप शायद ऐसे कर रहे हैं. Got it? Don't keep the hand close to the head. Keep it little away. And take the weight on the hand like that. This is the second level. I'm doing it without bending the knee. Ujjayi breath. नासाग्र दृष्टि. Inhale, knee down. Exhale, Balasana.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah. So what is that thing that I told you? Hand to head distance. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then you will get it right.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye. So that was Salamba Shirshasana, what I did. He comes in children class. Now, pranayama, another 5 minutes we have, I think. In pranayama, one or the two common mistakes I'll tell you. Bhastrika. Tell me, Mona, what is the mistake in Bhastrika? Shoulder is moving more than the chest. So chest has to move up. Do. Bhastrika, mudra madi. ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಬರಬಹುದು. ತೋರಿಸು. ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ನೇವಲ್. ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಥೈ. ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆನ್ ಥೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಚೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮಾಡಿ. ನೀವು ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂಚೆ ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಥರ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಕೈ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಚೆಸ್ಟ್. But not like this. Keep it like this. Sleeping fist. Correct. Chest. 5 more. Relax. Keep your hands in Dhyana Mudra. Are you getting light feeling on the head? It is coming? Solpa light feeling you will get. That because if you check saturation, I have checked with the oxygen meter. It shows 99. 98, 99 it will come. Breathing will not happen for some time. See full hand and all, thoda vibration aayega. Now relax. Slowly the breath will come. You'll get vibrations. You have to feel those changes. See, Mona is able to feel it. Okay. Slowly you can open your eyes. Now if you want to change the position, okay, if knee paining, after some age, all knee, everything will go. All so you have to protect your joints. My mother knee is like this. She's 80 years. So hereditary, I will also become like that only. The later the better. So don't overload your joints. Relax it sometimes. You change the position, all that, it's like that. So that is over. That is Bhastrika. Where is Muttu? Is there in the class? Muttu? Not there. So now tell me what is wrong in this Bhastrika. Sridhar is there. Sridhar is, don't tell Sridhar, he knows what I am going to do. Okay? Now see what is wrong in this Bhastrika. What is wrong? She's teacher, she knows that. So this is wrong. Some students are thinking that the chest is, oh no, it's an upward lift. This I pointed at, Muthu used to do it earlier. Now, when I pointed it out, Muthu Ramana is there, Muthu Ramanathan, no. He changed it. It is like not turning the stone. Somebody has to tell you, oh, this is what you should improve. So he changed it. Now he is doing far better than, so like that, all those things you have to focus. Then mudra. Now, Nasika mudra is like this. Now bring your right hand up. Bring these two fingers inside the palm. And other two fingers, C shape, C shape. C shape. C shape bandide, C shape. This one also C shape. Thumb also. You have seen crab, nammade nyanda engane pidikka. Crab bite, no? You have seen crab biting. Crab would bite like this. It will come, it will pakadna. ऐसे पकड़ते हैं crab. ऐसे नाक को पकड़ना है. ये मेरा नहीं है, BK Iyengar. See, pranayama guru is BK Iyengar only. There is nobody better than BK Iyengar on pranayama. He is a master of pranayama. Anything you have doubt, take that book, read. Light on Pranayama by BK Iyengar. He is the ustad of pranayama. Okay, so he writes where to touch. So the tip of the finger. Now tell me, Mona, what is wrong in this? Is it correct or wrong? This mudra, is it correct or wrong? What is wrong? Okay, I will, okay. So I have to curl it and this, and where will it touch? Where? Where? What part? Is it here or? The bone, that bone skeleton comes, no? Nose bone, nasal bone. That is the place where the finger will come. Illondu bone baruttalla, adu ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ opening kade barutte. Just on the opening of the nose. You are taking the reference of the bone to adjust the hole. That is why it is like it. So, they think that this is for closing, opening. That is for beginner level. This is not, finger is not for closing or like this. For beginner level pranayama, okay. But when you are gradually improving, that bone, now see, now I will show you one inhalation from this nose, okay? Inhale over. Now check my inhalation. Next inhalation. How it increased the time? Because I adjusted that hole. I pulled the breath through a smaller hole. So I delayed my inhalation. Same thing which I did with my throat while doing asana, where I closed my epiglottis while doing asana. Same thing I did with my finger. I am adjusting this hole by the finger. And that is the technique that you have to use. Okay. I think time is up. So 5:44. Okay, so I think we have to close because 5:45 class is there now. Yeah, okay. So any other queries? Anybody want to ask? Nothing.
So, like I'm myopic, so my power is little bit high. So, what should I avoid at the initial stages? Like,
see, I'll tell you, as per the books, asanas like Shirshasana or Sarvangasana, which increases the blood flow to the eyes, I mean to the upper side of the body, are good for these conditions. So only thing is you can avoid, if you find that there is a lot of blood flow coming into the eyes during say Sarvangasana and all, whatever asanas we are doing in the class, it doesn't come like that much. So I don't find any asanas that you should avoid while practicing yoga.
okay, so
Has doctor told anything that you should avoid something like that? Has doctor told anything?
so he told me about like lifting heavy. If you're lifting heavy, the pressure comes on face. So he told me.
That's what I'm telling. You can avoid Shirsha, headstand, asanas in the beginning like that. Headstand. Sarvangasana, if you find the blood flow to the head side is too much, then you can go a little slow. You can stay a little time and come back. But yoga text it is mentioned that if the blood flow is good, it actually improves those conditions. Okay. So don't worry, we are not doing very such difficult asanas in the classes.
And so I have a shyness issue. Like I always feel one of my nose blocked. So any
For
suggestion?
that, you have to practice two things. Jalaneti start karo.
Okay.
After Jalaneti, 2-3 months practicing, if you can start Sutra Neti, these are two things. Sutra Neti, you start. Both practices are very good for all these sinusitis, rhinitis, and do Surya Namaskara, all these things will improve. But specifically, Jala Neti and Sutra Neti you have to practice.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Abhinav, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll close. Inhale, take the arms over the head. Exhale to heart center. Close your eyes, inhale again. Together. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Together. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Go down, thank God, whatever you could do today, thank God for that. And come back. Thank you, Namaste. Namaste. Namaste.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, 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 Anshuman.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Ishani. Bye, bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, Anshuman.
Sir, bye-bye.
Bye. All of you online who joined, thank you for joining. Offline also, everybody. Keep joining. I will be uploading the video in YouTube.